So today we're going to learn about igcse, gcse and Olevels chapter about cells, and it is also for 7th grade. So there are two types of cells and we should know about them. So first of all, we have the first cell, which we have as a plant cell, which is like this. So the difference between them is that in plant cell we have a cell wall, and then we also have a large central vacuole which is present here, central vacuole. After that we have a nucleus which is here, and it is present, it is not present in the cell wall, but it is present under the cytoplasm like this, and the cytoplasm is of this shape. So when we have the nucleus has an outer portion which is known as the nuclear envelope, and then we have under it the nucleoles. All of the content that is under the nucleus inside it are called the nucleoles or nucleolus. You can say it like that also. After that we also have this thread-like structure in the nucleus which is called chromatin. Then there is this distinct thing that is not present in the animal cell, which is known as the chloroplast. The chloroplast is also present inside the cytoplasm, and they are present all under the cell membrane and cell wall. Chloroplast then contains chlorophyll, which captures the sunlight to cause photosynthesis. So for your remembrance, I'll draw the sunlight here which the chlorophyll captures, and it is of the green color. Then we have a further material inside it, and that is known as the mitochondria. So let's say that it is present here and there is a zigzag inside it, and that's how you're going to make it. So mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cells, which are also called the which also bring energy to the cell for the processes of the cell. And then inside the mitochondria we have ATP. ATP is known as adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. So this ATP, adenosine triphosphate, helps to cater the activities of the cell, whatever is happening inside it. So this vacuole has the outer surface of the chloroplast, which is known as the tonoplast. Then after the cell wall, this one is the cell membrane, and then we have the further cell surface membrane. We can also call it partially permeable membrane. Next is that we have an animal cell, which is like this, and inside the animal cell we have a center of nucleus, and there is no cell wall present. There is a direct partially permeable membrane. And then you already know that inside the nucleus we have a nucleolus like this. We have it, nucleolus, And then we have the further thread-like structure. So these are some similarities जो आपको plant और animal cell में पाई जाती हैं, and that is chromatin. After that we have again mitochondria, just like the plant cell, and then we have a pair of centrioles. A pair of centrioles can be drawn in your exam like this and like this. So these are known as centrioles. After that we have cytoplasm inside. The full structure has it. Or like plant cell, we don't have a large central vacuole, but instead we have small vacuoles. So this cytoplasm, this protoplasm, which is called the living matter, this exists into the two forms. Protoplasm is the living matter of the cell, and it is in the two forms. One form is known as the liquid state, or you can call it as the sol state. Then the other one is known as the gel state, which is the semi-solid state, and they have a jelly-like consistency. So this is how protoplasm makes up the cell. So this is it for the plant and animal cell.